Hello everyone, welcome back again. Today we are going to create 3D model for exercise number 12 in AutoCAD. First in here I will create circle with a radius 50 and you can create circle again with a radius 20. Create line, start from this point, move to the right here and you can click from this point into here. The next we can use a trim command, press enter twice and then you can delete the circle object. Okay, now in here I will use a join command to combine this all object, so it will be combined into polylines, and I will create circle with a tangent radius. In here with a radius 3, we create again with a tangent radius, set into 3, the next tangent radius, and the last we can create at this point with a radius 3. Okay. Now in here I will create circle and click from the center points. We can set a radius into 2 and you can press enter again. Now we can orbit and you can press F7 to hide cut. We can use the extrude tool to extrude this object to the bottom here and I will set into 35 and you can press enter to apply. The next I will change into right view. You can click here custom view and click right view. Now in here I will create circle, okay, start from this point, and we can set for a radius of 15. We can use move tools to move this object, circle object from this point into this center point. Okay, I will change again into front view. So this is for front view and we can create circle, start from this point. Can set into 15 for radius and you can move tools to move this object from this point into here. Now in here I will use extrusion tools to extrude this circle object 30. We extrude again this object to this direction 30. Now we can combine this all object by using union command. Select this all object and press enter, so it will be combined. And then in here we can use extrude tools. You can press control button, hold, select at this face. Next we select again at this face. Okay, you can press enter and you can use pad tools. You can click here pad and select at this edge. You can press control button, hold and select at this edge. Next you can see we have these 3D models inside the objects. Okay, now we can use a subtract command to subtract this object with these two objects, one and the next this object, two. We can press enter, so it will be cut. You also can change into set of gates to see the objects. Now in here I will use solid edit command. Okay, we can set into body and then you can use shield, select at these objects. Now for shield I will select at this face. Okay, we select again in here. Next we select at this face. Press enter and we can set for shield offset into 1. You can press enter again. So it will be creating shields. Okay, you can see we create holes and shield with thickness 1. The next I will use press pull. Okay, to press pull at this face. Okay, you can move to the bottom here. We can set into 20 for length. The next we press pull again in this circles. Move out to the bottom here. We can set into 21. So it will be create hole. You can use a copy command to copy this object from the center point. You can move into here, 1, okay, 2, and the last at this point, 3. You can press enter to apply. Now we can use a union command to combine these all objects. Okay, you also can delete this sketch, press delete button. Now we already create these simple 3D models for exercise number 12 with AutoCAD software. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.